Hey guys, so I started a new hobby back when quarantine started. I am still a work in progress, but I wanted to share my tricks and tips on how to do your nails out. So my first step is I go in with my drill using a round bit to clean up my cuticle area. This would prevent any lifting of the nail. Now using a sanding bit, I remove all the dead cuticle left behind, as well as preparing my nail bed by removing all the shine off of it. Now the nails are now ready to be prepped for the gel extensions. I am now using the Apres pH bonder to dehydrate the nail and remove any excess oil stayed behind. Now that I have applied the pH bonder, I will be going in with the Apres primer all over the nail bed for a better grip and a longer lasting set. Today's video, I will be using the Apres medium square tips. Now I will make sure the tips suit my nail bed by making sure it covers sidewall to sidewall. Now that the nails are fitted to my nail bed, I am going to be using the Gel X Prep to prep my tips by applying some of this on the inner tip. This step right here has helped me a lot in saving time, since before I did have to file each tip individually, and that took a lot of time. Now that my nails and tips are finally prepped, I will be using one coat of the Apres Extend Gel. I will be applying this all over my nails and then curing for 30 seconds. Now moving on to the tips. First, I apply one small coat on the inside of the tip, followed by scraping the excess gel onto it. I then apply the tip at a 45-degree angle, pressing down and making sure there are no air bubbles present. This will prevent from lifting. I then cure with my portable UV light for 15 seconds until gel is hardened. Now that my tips are finally on, I will make sure they are safely secured by curing all nails for 30 seconds. Sometimes when I overly fill the tip with gel, it tends to spill out when I push down. So I will then clean up the cuticle area by using my drill. This will give me a flush finish look. Now that I have cleaned up my cuticle area, I will go in with a 100 grit nail file and shape the sides and top of the nails, giving it a more defined and sharp shape. Now that I have got my nails to a desired shape, I will now go ahead and use a buffer to remove all shine off of my nails. This will give the polish a better grip to grab onto. The first step will be applying one coat of clear base.
Like you said, a human being, I'm going to make you take that chance. Things have been different for me ever since I met Hildy. I've never met anyone quite like her before.
I will go ahead and cure for 30 seconds. Okay, now finally the fun part, painting and designing my own nails. For this video, I decided to go with something simple and easy. I will be applying a nude gel polish in the shade 124. I will go in with one coat, then cure for 30 seconds. Followed by applying a second coat and giving my nail that concentration of color. And finally, I will be using my gelish clear top coat to seal it off and to give me that beautiful shine. I really hope this video was helpful. I really wanted to share my tricks and tips on how I achieve a full set at home. Like I said, this was a hobby I picked up during quarantine and it's definitely helped me save some money by doing my nails myself. I hope you enjoyed it and thank you for watching.